The NBA was on the ropes. Ratings were low, teams were losing money, and fans were tuning out. But two legends changed everything: Larry Bird and Magic Johnson. Their rivalry wasn't just about basketball. It was personal, electric, and exactly what the league needed to survive. The Boston Celtics and the Los Angeles Lakers, two iconic franchises, two very different cities, became the center of a sports revolution. But in the middle of all that glory came a whisper, a rumor, a conspiracy, one that still lives to this day. It all came to a head in the 1984 NBA Finals, Celtics vs. Lakers, Bird vs. Magic. The league finally had its dream matchup, and the world was watching. But what happened during that series went far beyond the court. The series was intense from the start. Game 1, Magic and the Lakers stole home court in Boston. Game 2, Larry Bird called out his team for playing soft. The Celtics responded, pushing the game into overtime and winning it. Game 3, total domination by the Lakers, a 33-point beatdown. But Game 4 changed the tone. It was all-out war. Clotheslines, trash talk, physical plays, and Bird came up huge with 21 rebounds and a gritty overtime win. The series was tied, but something felt off. That's when the drama really started. Larry Bird later claimed that NBA Commissioner David Stern said something behind the scenes that rocked him. According to Bird, Stern told a fan that the NBA needed a Game 7 because the league needed the money. Bird didn't take that lightly. He believed that statement meant something more, that the league may have tried to influence the outcome of Game 6 to make sure there was one more primetime matchup, one more money-making night. Bird said, quote, "You just don't make statements like that." The NBA quickly pushed back. Their head of PR at the time, Brian McIntyre, called the claim third-hand and ridiculous. But by then, it didn't matter. The idea was out there. Fans started wondering, was the league manipulating games for ratings? Were refs making calls to stretch the series? Was Game 6 fixed? Then came Game 7, June 12, 1984. Boston Garden was packed. The energy was unreal. Bird showed up like a man on a mission. The Celtics locked in and took down the Lakers 111-102. Bird was named Finals MVP. Confetti dropped. Boston celebrated. But even with the title secured, that lingering doubt stayed in the air. Did the best team win? Or did the league make sure we got a perfect ending? Whether you believe Bird's claim or not, one thing's clear: this series changed the NBA forever. Bird and Magic's rivalry didn't just save the league. It turned the NBA into must-watch TV. From 1984 through 1990, either Bird or Magic played in every single finals.